group, I think it's been very well, very good because like with the basket, we've all come together and we've all got closer together with each other, and everyone's talking to the other group, and like no one's hiding away. And also it's been very good to get to meet new people from a different country.
And learn more about your country as well.
Guys, you know what, I'm gonna say it. See the early mornings? They killed. See good luck every time I had been 9 to get breakfast. I was tired, but no, it's been worth it, and I've enjoyed every part of it. I really did like the cycling, but the cycling was good. I wish we could have done a little bit more of the cycling. But yeah, the jumping, the swimming, beach, it's all good.
Most of all, everyone have fun.
Yeah. Looks like people got a wee bit too sunburned and
Lucky them, I didn't get any colour.
and get a wee bit angry.
This guy has a wee bit of romance on the go.
Probably fair as well for the bigger stinging. Rode all back home and then over the fry.
And also, it's very good to see that someone has made a romance with someone from a different country.
Speak about
Glenn and Ola.
How do you feel about
that.
that?
Hola.
I feel alright.
Voila!
The only romance,
All the means latest.
the only romance in the city, town.
What do you mean?
Which was Andy and Robin and Ruby coming too.
I think it'll be nice to go home to our own home comforts, but I think it'll be even better when they come to Belfast to experience what we do, what our traditions are, what our culture is, and to see for themselves some of the maybe the conflict that is going on and like that.
If it doesn't turn out you're right.
Maybe not as much hills, but it's still walking.
Overall, fun was really good.
Yeah, and we all want to say.
To repeat next year.
Moncho, enchúfanos otra vez, por favor.
Moncho, enchufe me, please.
Que ha estado muy bien y que hay que mantener agradecimientos, ¿no? Agradecimientos
Queremos agradecer y a Zara que nos ha vestido a todos. A ver, muy por esos coches que hemos dejado para pasarnos.
Venga, ya esto que les decimos a los norirlandeses.
Pues que están muy locos.
Y muy buenos.
In English.
In English, so we like a lot North Island people, but someone is very radical, speaking about the conflict.
But crazy people, nice people.
Yeah, it's nice people.
No traduzcas inglés en inglés.
Ah.
And we love you.
Yeah.
Love you.
Bye.